A lot of people struggle with these pontoon backs, these curved backs. I'm going to show you how I do it. Some plastic on here so it slides on easy. It's already sewn up. Loosely got it on. I like to start in this corner. So we'll pull down and make sure the seam matches with the corner. Goes over that curve. And then pull. You don't want to pull too far, like this curve is in the right area. Tack this corner down. Just kind of stretch. Just pull. That looks a whole lot better. We'll pull this seam to the right and down. Staple the rest of it. Got all the back stapled on. Let's kind of go around the front. Cut right here. Right here. Great. I'll need to cut a strip to staple on. Right here. We're gonna work our way around. Cut. Let's turn it on his back and match where the old seam was. You can see it on the foam. A few relief cuts around this area. See, this area right here is nice and tight. Here. So that is the main seat done. I'm gonna get the insert done, tack it down in the middle. This corner, tack it down. The center of this dip, go ahead and tack that down, but I'm not gonna staple the rest on yet. I'm gonna do the bottom. See how I stapled it, it formed the curve for me. Now that we've got the bottom part stapled, we can get this dip stapled, make some relief cuts, and make sure it looks good. Right here, right here, right there, without any wrinkles. What about the wrinkles right there? Once I pull that in, it's going to stretch it. Screw it in. Wow, just like that, all the wrinkles are gone. There it is, the base, inserts, back. Important thing is there's no wrinkles in the curved area, so that's kind of what you want. This is kind of how it's going to look like. She said this one had already been done, so we're not going to mess with that one, unfortunately.